Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this Narzo. First of all, go into Settings, scroll down and tap on App Management section over here. Then you need to go into Permission Manager and select one of your device's features, like location. Then pick one of your apps. I will go with Maps. And select one of those options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with the first one, allow all the time, so when I go back and swipe up, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always just pick any feature and any app and click on See All Google Permissions instead. Then manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!